Ever felt like you're waiting an eternity for Vapi Ai to respond? We all have, but the good news is, you can drastically improve Vapi Ai's response time. Let's dive into a few quick tips and settings to make your AI chats feel snappy. First, let's head into your Vapi Ai dashboard and locate the settings area. This is our command center for optimization. Once inside, look for the performance or optimization tab. It might be called something similar, but it's where the magic happens. Now, let's tackle some key settings. The context window controls how much information Vapi Ai considers when providing a response. A smaller window means faster processing, but it might sacrifice some detail. Play around with the settings, finding the sweet spot between speed and comprehensiveness. Next, turn your attention to processing priority. If you have multiple bots or a busy workload, assigning higher priority to certain conversations can ensure quicker replies. For important interactions, prioritize what matters most and be sure to experiment. Another quick win to optimize response time could be fine-tuning your AI's prompt. Clear, concise prompts lead to clearer, faster responses. Make sure to specify the information the bot needs, reducing ambiguity. Finally, remember to consistently assess and improve your AI setup. Regularly monitor your Vapi Ai's response times using its built-in metrics and adjust your optimization settings as your needs change. The goal is to continuously refine to create a highly responsive Vapi Ai experience.